conditions are favorable for the development of...
Yes!
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Barlow County in northwestern Georgia, until 7:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:46 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Braswell to near New Georgia, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marietta, Canton, Cartersville, Dallas, Kennesaw, Woodstock, Ackworth, Holly Springs, Hiram, Emerson, White, Braswell, Burnt Hickory Ridge, Kellogg Creek, Red Top Mountain State Park, Lost Mountain Park, Crossroads, Due West, Sandy Plains, and New Hope. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 6 a.m. in Atlanta, light rain was falling.